Hi, thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. My name is Ana Fernandez. I'm an attorney in Miami, Florida. And as a brief background, last video we introduced this idea of narcissists in family law cases and how it could affect your case. And it was just a brief intro, and we also mentioned that this month we're going to be touching on several different personality traits and personality disorders. And as a background, I do want to mention that not only did I do my studies and not only have I dedicated the majority of my professional career to divorces and family law, but I also have a degree in psychology. So this is a topic that I get pretty excited about, and I'm very happy to be able to share it with you. So if you haven't tuned in, please check out the first video. It's a very brief overview on the narcissistic personality types and how they can affect a divorce. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can spot a narcissist. So you can easily identify a narcissist not just by the way that they feel about themselves, but also in the way that they treat others. So these people will try to take over a conversation. Sometimes they try to belittle people, and that they think they are inferior to them, and they think that they're better and superior to other people, and only surround themselves with what they consider, what they believe to be superior as well. So these are the people that look for connections on how can this person help me, as opposed to, just a genuine connection with somebody else. So they take advantage of people and they expect everyone to agree with them and to be compliant with their decisions. So you can just imagine how a narcissist will act during a family law case when there's high conflict or several issues such as children and money involved. It's not always easy, and that's why it's very important to be prepared. So they can't or won't recognize other people's feelings and needs. That's something that's it's because they lack empathy, and it's important because a lot of family law cases involve minor children. So this is an issue. It becomes an issue, and luckily the court offers a lot of different avenues such as mediation, and at least in Miami we have family court services, which allows a party to ask the court, hey, can you send me to family court services? It's a free service that pretty much you're tied, or you're linked with a social worker. You do certain check-ins, and they give you some feedback on how they believe you should proceed with your case. I'll have all the links to this below in the show notes. So just to finalize or keep going a little bit deeper, other ways that you can spot someone who's either a narcissist or has narcissistic traits is the way that not just the way that they think of themselves or how they treat people, but also their emotional state. These people will have like little temper tantrums if they're not getting their way, and it's because it's very difficult for them to control their emotions. If something doesn't go their way, or they don't receive the special treatment that they in their minds believe they're entitled to, then that can become a problem. So they could become enraged, impatient, moody, and sometimes they even get depressed. So in an emotional fit, a narcissist will lash out and belittle others to make themselves feel or look superior. And they have major difficulties handling stressful situations. So sometimes these extreme emotions are masking their secret feelings of vulnerability, shame, and insecurity. Because remember, in their minds, they're perfect, they are superior. So any sign that they're vulnerable or shame or insecure will just completely derail them. So if you have any questions about personality disorders, types, and how they can affect your legal case, please let us know. We're developing content to help better serve our community. And like I said, this month we are focusing on mental health and personality disorders. So if you have any suggestions, please let us know, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.